Hey guys, my name is Dimitri, and this is a beautiful new arrival at Car City Inc. 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE. And this one, guys, have 104,000 miles on the one previous owner. This one is all-wheel drive XLE edition. You know, very hard to find those all-wheel drive vehicles, and especially again, this one is especially all-wheel drive option, which make it nice and safe on the winter time. We live in here in Chicago, so again, clean Carfax and clean title. As you can see, car is in mint condition. Beautiful, nice paint, nice front grille, fog lights. Just came from the detail shop. It's been detailed. Nice rims, almost new tires, nice tread over here. Again, let's look inside. This one again got the XLE package, which give you a lot of nice options. Nice wooden trim, power windows and locks, power leather seat. It's got sunroof, clean headliner, smells nice, no problem with that. The passenger seat looks good. As you can see, we got 2 keys. Good miles for this. It's got 105,000 miles. Again, Toyota been known for their quality. It's got a nice touch screen with navigation. You can play with it, audio phone, of course the Bluetooth. There is a climate control, rear climate control too, heated seats, again Bluetooth. There is a parking assistant, there is a rear view cameras, traction control, blind spots, power doors. I mean, the car is, again, it's, you can see one of those vans which was used correctly. Again, one owner, well kept, well maintained, fresh oil change for all our vehicles. We have a shop with mechanics, so it's past all safety, good to go. Again, the floor mats, power lift gate. I mean, if you guys looking for a family minivan, don't be late. These are very good sellers. They're selling fast. So check us out, stop by. If you need finance, we can help you with the finance. We offer warranty for all our vehicles as well, up to 4-5 years. So stop by at Car City in Palatine. This is our website. And you see we speak different languages too. So again, just give us a call and you can drive this beautiful minivan tonight. So 847-496-4250. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day, guys.